Gift shopping for family or friends? Or wanting to pick up something beautifully handmade and unique for yourself or the home? Then come with me, Kim, from Team Visit Wagga Wagga to check out this eclectic gallery, Paper Pear. Located in a charming historical brick building on Wagga Wagga's Gerwood Street in the city's CBD, this beautiful space is more than your average store. Owner Steph Day has built a warm, inviting gallery over the past 12 years that heroes Australian and local makers and creators. Discover one-of-a-kind fine art pieces in different shapes, sizes, colours and styles perfect for a wall in your home. There's also delicate ceramic pieces, great for gifting or to add that special touch to your mantelpiece, bookshelf or kitchen table. If statement handmade jewellery and accessories are more your style, then be sure to browse the collection in-store. Great for a gift or as a special treat for yourself. Gift wrapping and bespoke handmade cards are available for any items purchased as gifts. And if you're travelling and spot a piece in store that you simply cannot be without, Steph is only too happy to help arrange home delivery. For a unique shopping experience when you're in our city, don't miss this eclectic gallery. To discover more top spots when you pay our Wagga Wagga and surrounds region a visit, hit the link in our bio or head to visitwagga.com.